friends, my name is Arham.
My name is Eliza.
We have loads of presents here. We are going to show you one by one. Let's get started. It's my turn first. Ooh, a chocolate calendar box. Whoa. Your turn now.
Alright. Ooh. Wow, some markers. Ooh. It's your turn now.
It's Paw Patrol chocolate calendar.
And look, it's like felt tips. Like
Oh look, there's Chase, Sky and Fire.
it looks like some felt tip markers.
Let's see what's inside. More chocolate? Turkish chocolate milk one. Ashley's company. Your turn now.
Alright.
That is so exciting.
Whoa! Look! Loads of hairbands. It's so exciting. I got these two hairbands. I got these two hairbands. And I got even a cat one hairband. Ooh. It's your turn now.
Okay, I wonder what I'll get next.
Oh! We're so excited. What is it?
Wow! There's a pack of oranges for a present. Let's see. Tangerines. Very tasty. High in vitamin C. Your turn now.
Alright.
Ooh, so exciting.
Yogurt?
Yogurts.
Look like a load of baby yogurt to me.
Nah, it's alright. Ooh, tasty.
Ooh, look. There's strawberry. There is apple, peach, apricot, and it's your turn now.
Ooh, I wonder what we'll get next. Let's open it. Vampire, come here. I've got tasty food for you. This is a Polo company. Garlic? Really? Your turn now.
Alright.
Oh, I wonder what is in there. Really sticky. Let's see what's inside.
What is this?
Pakistani carrots.
Yum, yum, in my tongue. It's so
Very organic.
Yeah. It's your
And
turn now.
remember, don't panic. It's organic.
Alright, it's
My
your
turn.
turn now.
Ginger. I've had a couple here. Garlic. Ginger. Oh, this looks like a bow and arrow. What am I going to eat at? This is very organic. It also looks like a slingshot. Uh-oh. I hurt you. It's your turn now.
Alright. Which one am I going to do next?
Oh, this is a strange one.
Water. And then I need the apple then.
Apple and beetroot juice.
Ooh, nice. It's your turn now. It's apple and beetroot juice, my favourite.
Wait, but how is it camouflaged in water then? That's strange.
Yeah. It's your turn now.
Let's see what I get next. Ooh, turnips. Yummy, yum. Look.
That was good. That was really funny though.
It's your turn now.
Alright.
Oh, I wonder what this is. Not more chocolate. I think we're having organic and unhealthy.
Yum, yum in my tongue. Look, chocolate. In a box of yum. It's all for me, Brooke. It said, what did it say?
Seashell truffles. Chocolate flavor. Oh, it's making me so hungry.
It's your turn now.
Okay.
These are a lot of stuff.
What's your order? There's mommy thing doing here. This is actually apple and beetroot juice. Definitely. He had water. And I've got real apple and beetroot juice. I had real apple and beetroot juice.
But I have water beetroot juice.
It's okay.
We're
do
going to
this
share it still.
for Morrison's. What a bargain.
Water, really healthy juice. Probably.
Your turn now. Oh, this looks so exciting.
Puzzle. Look, a puzzle. And which type of puzzle is it? Ooh, I could put this one probably. Well, my favorite one is this one probably. And I like it. It's your turn now.
Let's see what I get. Whoa, look at this. I wonder what it is. It says 20Q. Still smarter than you. It might be a little calculator? Might be. It says, try me. 8 plus. 20 questions. Still smarter than you. It says,
Let's do something else now.
what should we do?
Jokes.
Oh, I know. What do you call a witch in a desert?
I don't know.
A sandwich.
That was good. Any more?
Do you know how to sing?
Yes.
Can you do anything?
Yeah.
Do it then.
Baby, sleeping nice and warm. Baby, sleeping till the dawn. And all the world gather round to feel the love you gave here tonight.
Well done. Shall I tell you another joke?
Yes.
What goes up when the rain comes down? Oh,
I don't know.
An umbrella.
That was good.
We've still got some presents left.
I know something else and more. I'll do it right now. Alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, can you sing with me?
That was good.
A little bit better than you.
Do you know another one?
Nah. Why don't you do more jokes instead? I like your jokes.
Okay. Why don't we unwrap these presents which you have?
Yeah.
I think it was your turn now.
Was it? Yeah. Alright. Let's see which one is this. I'm so excited. More of my favorite. Look. Favorite.
Cadbury?
Probably, yeah.
Oh wow. Let's see what it has. It's got fudge, Freddos, chocolate buttons. Let's open it and eat it.
Reveal.
Yeah, why not?
We're gonna eat one a day and we don't want our kids to get sick.
Oh, I love these. Let's see.
And I will have. Put the wrappers over here.
Yummy. So good. What did it say? Curly words. Alright.
Thank you.
Do you want some, Daddy?
No, thank you.
Okay. Very tasty.
Is it yummy?
Very. Look at all of these left.
Let's put these away.
Your turn again.
Alright. Maybe this was yours. I don't know about it.
How about you just...
I don't want a ball for this. So you. But look, it's a hot rod racer. But I think I'll give it to my brother instead.
Thank you. 92.
You're welcome.
It's got 92 pieces, 6 plus, stainless steel, loads of parts. And it's got great features such as tool set included, endless configurations, stainless steel construction.
Alright, why don't you put it there and you can have another trial there.
Okay.
It's your turn now.
I wonder what's inside this. I'm so excited. Biscuit. Look at this. You've got chocolate chip cookie, jam sandwich cream, milk chocolate finger, and many more. I suppose it's a little bit healthy.
But not that much probably.
Might we give you a little diabetes? Your turn now.
Thank you. Whoa! My goodness! I love this. Look! It has a bag, a phone, like a lip box stuff, I don't know what it is, and makeup.
It's got a phone, purse, lipstick, play credit card, makeup compact.
Where are the play credit cards? Ooh, there, I can see it.
Let me see.
Ooh, there.
Oh, well. It's
My favourite.
I've only got one present left. I don't want to open this.
I only have one present left and I don't want to open this. Let's do eeny, meeny, miny, moe.
Okay.
Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a predator, tiny, I forgot it.
Let's do rock, paper, scissors.
Alright. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yes, I opened this.
Yes, get in.
Ooh. I don't think I want this. Let's just give it to my sister.
Oh, thank you very much. Ooh, look. Ooh, what is it? 6 plus. I can see. My favourite. I don't guess what it is though.
It might be a little playset.
Oh yeah, maybe a playset.
This is Bella, Mike, Vicky, loads of people in here.
Alright, why not? It's your turn now.
No, it's your turn to open it.
Oh yeah.
I got nothing left. No.
Let me open it.
Oh, no.
Slime, my favourite. I'll turn on it or don't forget. Oh, look at this now.
Sparkle Snow Slime Station.
Slime station. And it has a little book.
It's got coffee made out of slime.
Oh, yeah. Oh. And it's also an honor probably. And we're going to play with it right now too. Don't forget. My favourite dog.
And for the most mightiest present of all, I like my table football. Very heavy. I hope you can play with it. Well, hold it actually. Me and my sister plays with it all the time.
Lots of time.
Should we play with it now?
Yeah, but where is the table football?
Oh, it's inside here. We got loads of presents here. Question is, which one should we do first? How about this one? What do you want to do first?
Ooh, the looks good toy. That one
20 questions.
Alright. How about?
Oh yeah, mine does. So, how does it start?
But you need a battery too.
It's got battery inside. See? It's got batteries inside. Vegetable.
Oh wow. Let me just put this. Oh. what's in here. Oh wow, look. Some makeup. Really good. I love this. Oh, lipstick. My favorite. Look more prettier. A credit card. And a food. Oh, I want to.
It's reading.
Right, I do have to find a credit card.
Credit card.
Wow, look. My bag is ready.
It's reading.
And this one now. Oh, it's going to be so excited. Just, wow. Whoa. Okay.
No. Quest.
Whoa.
Oh. Guitar? No.
Sticker root.
Whoa.
And you have to roll the dice.
Yes.
4 steps.
I win.
And then her turn. And let's.
Time for a game of table football. Oh, you come here. Oh,
You don't score over there at all.
oh yeah? How about we try this? Oh no!
1 for me, 0 for you.
Oh, just wait until you see this. That looks good.
Super cool.
I think it might be better than the one before.
Yeah, cool.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
Come on, Nadir.
Thanks for watching. See you soon.
See you soon. Bye bye.
Bye.